Here's a Viking 150 sewing machine. I've cleaned it up a bit, and I'm going to be listed on eBay. And this is just a demonstration of it sewing. So what we're going to do now is a straight stitch. I'm not a great sewer. And then we can do, like a zigzag stitch. And then a little tighter zigzag. And so that's what we have here. Back side. So I'm going to be listing this sewing machine on eBay. It probably could use some more adjustments. I just have a basic understanding of sewing machines. I used the bobbin, wound the thread on the bobbin here. It has a reverse button here, reverse stitch. And that's all working too. That's pretty much it on the demonstration. Thank you for watching this video.